When the Chrysler 300 Hurst appeared, it represented a union of elegance and raw muscle. Introduced as a limited edition collaboration with Hurst Performance, it carried a bold presence that could not be ignored. The design was unmistakable, with its two-tone paint scheme featuring a satin gold roof and accents laid over white bodywork, giving it a rich yet aggressive character. Wide stripes and unique badging hinted at something far beyond a luxury cruiser. Massive chrome bumpers, sculpted lines, and a stance that looked both commanding and sleek made it clear this was a machine crafted for attention. Inside, it leaned heavily into luxury, blending muscle car energy with Chrysler's reputation for refinement. Plush leather seating, wood-trimmed details, and a driver-focused layout provided a comfortable yet performance-oriented environment. It carried the aura of a high-end executive car while reminding its passengers that it was born from muscle heritage. The Hurst shifter sat prominently, connecting driver to machine with every movement. Under the hood, it roared with Chrysler's legendary 440 cubic inch V8 engine. This powerhouse delivered immense torque, capable of pushing the heavy sedan forward with authority. Paired with its Hurst-tuned automatic transmission, the car offered both smooth cruising and brutal bursts of acceleration when demanded. It was a combination of refinement and raw power that defined the golden era of muscle luxury hybrids. Only a small number of these machines were built, making the Chrysler 300 Hurst not just rare but a prized collectible. It symbolized a time when American automakers experimented with blending high-performance muscle with luxury sophistication. Today, it stands as an icon of exclusivity, admired for its style, strength, and unique place in automotive history.